Hello and welcome back to the Thastu ICS. My name is Titiksha Pandey and today we are going to have an unfiltered conversation with the students of our PSIR batch. Hi, what's your name?
My name is Ishita Mishra.
My name is Anik.
My name is Harshita Chawla.
Ikra.
Tripunjay Yadav.
Anshika.
Why did you join PSIR?
So I had a keen interest in political science and international relations, and the main focus even in my graduation years was political science. My subject was political science, and I feel it is a core subject of GS that relates, and for your exam you need marks at the end of the day. True. And you need to relate your GS, current affairs and the optional. So my main focus of political science and international relation was I will cover a lot of aspects of UPSC.
How long has it been since you've been attending our classes?
I'm the first batch of the Thastu ICS PSIR optional. I'm attending from 27th of Jan and it's about to end.
Yeah, so it's been more than 6 months now.
Yeah, क्योंकि इसका तो बहुत लेंथी एक सिलेबस है. इस सिलेबस को हमें थॉरोली कंप्लीट करना, और सर का कंप्लीट करने का मतलब है कि कितना क्लैरिटी हम लोग का हो सकता है कि हम ऐसे पढ़े कि किसी को हम पढ़ा सकते हैं.
ठीक है.
और हमारी PSIR ऑप्शनल जो ऑप्शनल है ये हमारे जीएस का भी एक बड़ा सा पोर्शन कवर करता है. तो जितना हम अटेंटिवली ये क्लास करते हैं, जितने अटेंटिवली हम कोर्स को करते हैं, उतना हमें ये जीएस में और इंटायर यूपीएससी के सिलेबस में बहुत हेल्प होता है. और सर तो मतलब कोर्स कंप्लीट करके ही छोड़ दिया, ऐसा नहीं. कहाँ डाउट है, क्या प्रॉब्लम है, एक दिन में अगर हम एब्सेंट भी करते हैं तो सर आते हैं, बेटा कल क्यों नहीं आए? सर ये बात था तो इसलिए नहीं आ पाए. अच्छा, कहाँ कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है? सर को हम लोग पर्सनली हम लोग मैसेज कर सकते हैं, वहां से बात करते हैं. सर हम क्लास कंप्लीट होने के बाद भी सर बहुत देर रहते हैं, क्या प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है, ना हो रहा है, करंट अफेयर्स का इश्यूज, एनीथिंग. सर इज वेरी चिल.
Why did you choose PSIR as your optional?
Because I have a sort of background with political science in my graduation. I'm from BA program. So that's interests me. At the same time, international relations is often very interesting when I'm reading a newspaper or any sort of more detailed manner. So it comes to very interesting subject to me, that's why.
How approachable is Manoj sir when it comes to doubt resolution? Is he approachable?
Very much, yeah. Actually, he also insists us to write answers and all those things.
Current affairs, do you have to cover it outside the classes, or does Manoj sir tell you the current affairs as well as the static portion?
Most of in 1 month it going on the WPT area, he related in the currently contemporary areas too, but in some area we have to cover from outside current affairs.
Anshika, how long has it been since you've been attending our classes?
Around a month.
Around a month. And in this whole month, how often have you felt that I don't want to go to class?
I don't think so. I never felt that.
Really? And why is that?
Because of the friendly environment and the teachings which are in the class. I just enjoy them.
Okay, you enjoy the classes. Answer writing जब सर कराते हैं तो उसमें जो feedback आपको मिलता है, आपको कितना relevant लगता है वो, आपको कितना मतलब आपने कितने highest marks score करे हैं, कितने lowest करे हैं उसमें, और कौन क्या actually is it helpful कि आपको समझ में आता है कि अच्छा हाँ इसमें मुझे इम्प्रूव करना है और ये सारी चीज़ें, ये फैक्टर्स हैं जो इम्प्रूव करने वाले हैं.
सर एक एक लाइन, एक एक वर्ड देख के वो बताते हैं कि कैसे कैसे लिखना है, कौन सा वर्ड कहाँ होगा, इसको बेटा ऐसे करने तो थोड़ा सा बेटर होगा.
And why did you choose the Thastu ICS?
The first thing that I saw was the faculty. I saw a lot of classes, but then when you see that teachers here are all professionals, they are ex-civil servants themselves, so their experiences and their professionalism is at some another level. Right. And when you choose UPSC, you invest a lot of money and plus your core years of your preparation. So my focus was, if I want to invest everything, my 2 years of my preparation with optional and foundation as well, I will go for a classes which has a small batch. Right. And focuses on one-to-one interaction. Right. And they don't have problem if you ask questions ample of times.
That's very important.
So when I came here and I took demo as well, I just had something, a vibe that sets कि यहाँ पे everything will be sorted. I don't have to worry about anything here.
So does sir provide you that special kind of attention, because I think it is very important when you're preparing for such big exam that special attention is given to each child. So do you feel that?
Yes, I've already told like I'm not very confident in interactive, so sir looks after that
Okay.
in every class.
If you had to rate the class environment, what would you rate it out of 10?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
Because
Okay.
of the sir very cooperative and his language are very layman, so I rated 10 out of 10.
Okay. I think there are less number of students in your batch. So do you feel sometimes there's a need of a lot of crowd to be there around you for the competitive spirit to take place in your heart?
I don't think so. There's a requirement of a lot of crowd and students to involve to get a competitive environment. I think the students and the friends I am having in the classroom are more than enough to provide a cozy and good environment for the competition and for the studies as well.
Okay. And thank you so much for being here with us. All the very best for your exams. And thank you so much for being here with us. We'll be back with next video. Thank you so much.